Hi, this is Ed from Burton County Harley Davidson, just giving you a quick wintertime tech tip. Everybody knows you should check your oil on a regular basis, but what everybody doesn't know is how or where the correct level is on your dipsticks. Every Harley Davidson dipstick has some kind of marking to let you know the correct level, and it should never be all the way to the top. And you should also always check your oil when the vehicle is at operating temperature. Correct level on this dipstick, it would be right below the full hot. And again, this would be checked with the vehicle on the side stand and operating temperature. This is a stock dipstick, which as you can see has two readings. One is for hot on the side stand and one is for hot upright. Again, it should never all the way be to the top. It should always be a little bit below the full line on both of these lines. Thank you for watching us and have a good winter, and look forward to seeing you in the spring.